And when I look in the mirror and I see it, if I have to put a little curls in there, I will, like if it's like not neat enough or for tomorrow. All right, Coach Kimmy here. I'm gonna just show you, blow dry my hair. This is all in one milk. I'm just gonna put a little bit in there. And then I'm gonna use this. This is awesome too. It's called Liquid Spell by 𝐸𝐻𝐻. You know, that's our, Italy line that I absolutely love. And you know what? They grow their own ingredients. So I really want it for the top of my hair because this is where I want the volume and it's getting way too long. Look how long that is. Whoa. So I'll be needing a haircut soon, but I want to do a video of teaching you guys how to cut your own hair, right? So I want to do a Zoom call with a certain amount of people who want to learn how to cut their own hair. And that's how I'm going to cut my hair the next time on a Zoom call, teach you how to cut your hair and I'll cut my hair at the same time. So we're following the same directions and that's about it. All right, so I got that all in my hair and then I'm going to blow dry it, rough dry. Then I'm going to use navy. I like this. This is a texture spray. It's very lightweight, but it's strong. And then this is the hairspray. Perfect hairspray by 𝐸𝐻𝐻. So you could get, I think on my website, you could get the products from 𝐸𝐻𝐻, just so you know. It would be on my website, moderntechniques.com. And we're going to start rebranding to go MT Salon instead of Modern Techniques because it's just easier. So, and it's just shorter. Modern Techniques is a long name. So anyway, here we go. Upside down. All right, right now it kind of looks like the wolf haircut, right? Or the wolf blow dry that you just let it go like this and you got to do. But, so much is AI right now, so you don't really know what is and what isn't. But I could leave it fun and playful. So I don't know how I'm going to do it just yet, but I'm just going to start blow drying. Listen, I always like to take a thick part of my bang, take a big chunk of it. And just remember, better done than perfect. You don't need perfect hair. You need it so it looks nice and it's smooth enough. Now listen, you can leave that there for a minute because it's setting. Always think of hot rollers. The hot rollers is great because they heat up your hair and you put them in dry hair. You just put those rollers in and then it cools off and then it sets it. So it's the same thing. Let it set for a minute and then you could just blow dry it like normally without anything in it. I always roughen it up, but sometimes you could leave it a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to go to my back. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Look, good products will make your hair full of volume. You need good products, just so you know. Get behind it, get in front of it. Pull it forward, pull it forward, pull it forward. And on the slant that I want it going over that way. So you're gonna direct it that way. You're always directing the hair the way you want it to go. But I need to pull it forward so I don't get a hole. If I just pull this straight back, I'm gonna get a big hole right there. I don't want that hole. Okay, there we go, that's perfect. Now I'm just gonna kind of roughen it up just so we can see what it's looking like. All right, now I gotta do this spot. You see it right here? So how do you take that? I could take it this way, but I find you don't get as much volume there if you do it that way. So I like to really take this and pick it up Listen, you're gonna pick it up, go right here. Get that root. I'm pulling it past the part. Get that root. Now watch, I'm gonna come on top, but I'm pulling it that way, okay? And then I'm bringing it a little forward. Okay, you see how it just kicked up and over? Now watch. It gives it volume that way. Yeah, so it looks really nice. And then I have to do one on this. Pull it forward, pull it forward. Get that underneath, and get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Okay, so look at my bang right here. I think I want it to come more over this side, so I'm just gonna pull that piece. Redirect the hair. Pull it over, pull it over. Yeah, perfect. All right, now I can like separate that a little bit, but you always know when I do my bangs, I always like that little triangle right in there and always make it nice and piecey right there. All right, and then, I don't know what I'm gonna do at the bottom. It's still too wet, so I do have extensions and just a few, but if you see, I did these double extensions, which normally I do a single-sided, which I like so much better because even though you guys think I have super thick hair, it's because I use all these great products. I know how to take good care of my hair. I have highlights in my hair. So that's why my hair is so nice, because everybody always thinks, you got such thick hair. I don't. I really don't. I just know how to take care of hair and make it look thick and full. So I really am very thankful for my hair, but I take hair vitamins. I do the most important things. I do masks in my hair. I do all the good shampoo and conditioners. And today I used 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜. I love 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜, right? My hair just looks spectacular after 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜 shampoo. But I also got to use the, the good products that I just showed you. All the milk I put in, that puts, kind of fills in. But you see, I kind of cut my hair here, but I need to actually cut this a little bit more. But I should have done one-sided extensions. I would like them better. So I'll probably take the other half off of it and then it would be perfect. See, I'll show you things that you don't even know. You'd be like, I didn't even see it. But then when I show you, you're like, oh, I see it now. I always want to give you an eye, that's the thing. My eyes go to things right away about hair. All right, so I'm gonna go a little forward right here. Pull it out, bring it forward, get those ends, get those ends. Grab the underneath piece, bring it forward and roll it back. And of course, that's a cool shot. So a lot of times people will ask me like, what are you doing there? It's a cool shot, just to cool it off. I want to take a little more piece out there, because I like that there. And then I'll take this way. I'm gonna switch hands, because I need to get that out of the way. And I'm going to do a 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭. Watch, ready? Pull it forward, roll it, now you turn it, and then keep going out, Okay? I'm going to do another piece right here. I'm going to do this in forward. I think I have to do it like this. Yes. And then you can just kind of lightly loosen it and just let it out. All right, and then if I wanted to just maybe make this go under a little more. Just do pieces and then see if you like it and then leave it. Or make it different if you don't like it, Have fun with your hair. Learn to love your hair. Take vitamins, and I've been taking them for a long time. So people say, well, I don't want to take vitamins forever. Why not? You have to take vitamin B12 and all kinds of other vitamins for your body. You might as well take them for your hair if you want good hair. Listen, hair is your crown. Learn to love your hair, right? My hair is way too long. I definitely have to do that haircut, but even long, I still can style it and do some fun stuff with it. And I have my microphone on, so I'm sorry if it's too loud with that blow dryer right in the microphone. Yeah, that looks nice. You know, I just kind of don't make it perfect. I just don't like making it perfect. I like having fun with it. So I'll just leave it like this. And if I leave the back a little bit curly, like, I don't really care. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be fun and flippy and playful. And I feel like the bottom is okay too, right? This one I did a little more neater. So maybe I'll do this one a little more. All right, so now let's finish it. Okay, so now I'm going to use Navy. Navy is a texture spray. So this is the first product that I've used of theirs. I haven't used any more yet, but I'm excited to because I really love the texture spray. And 𝐿 does have a texture spray. It's a little wetter. This one's drier, which I like a little drier. They put texture in the hair so that it actually like has a little tack in it. You know, and the products do it too, but this will just hold it. Especially, I need my roots done, and I really need a haircut, so it'll hold it up better. And especially for tomorrow, and the next day, and the next, just gives it that little extra. Okay, here we go. And then I'm going to use this hairspray. This is called Perfect Hairspray. And then we're good. Oh, spray that hairspray in there. Make sure to get my hole. You know, I got a nice big hole, so sometimes I'll just put my fingers in there and I will tease it. And I know you guys will say, can I see the back? And I have a friend here because I'm going to go live on YouTube. I'm excited. And this is Kathleen, and we're going to do her hair in a beautiful layered haircut. Probably similar to this. She has a picture, so you guys will get to see it all. And let me just do the back too. Does it matter the products you use? Yes! You guys know that by now. And when I look in the mirror, and I see it, if I have to put a little curls in there, I will. Like if it's like not neat enough, or for tomorrow when I go to work. But anyway, this was good enough, and I hope you enjoyed it. Little tips and tricks from Coach Kimmy, and learn to love your hair.